Okay, so just rechecking all the measurements for drilling the Scotch key pin hole on the IMS shaft. The total depth of the guide, call it a jig, and the depth of the pulley board and the depth of the shaft up into the shoulder on it, it's 24mm and 24.5mm, so 48mm altogether. So checked it with the micrometer, but just mark that up with my drill. That's 48mm, so we're all ready to go. Right, there we go. Okay, let's check the depth. Got this pointer marked up at 48mm. Obviously we got the angled end of the hole, but that looks pretty damn good. If I go on the edge, I can feel the, the shape of the drill bit basically. The Scotch pin, it actually should be like pill shaped, so I'm wondering if I can machine that. Well, that would only be one end, wouldn't it? I'll never think about that. That's good. Take it off, take the jig off and have a look at the hole. Maybe have a look inside with the optic fibre camera as well. Okay, well I've had a look and taken a still photo already, but I don't know if it's all focused, but that's looking very nice. Let's clean it up. Yes, cleaned up, and I think it's looking very nice. Good stuff. Oh, by the way, one other thing I've noticed while I'm doing this idler is graunchy. The bearing's not gone on it, there's no lateral movement, axial or lateral, but can you see it? That's even pressure. It's not good at all. Need to be replaced. Whereas this one, yeah, that's fine. This one, ooh, no. So, could have happened in storage or something. Anyway, get one ordered. Right, yes, the measurements look good. Slot is drilled fine, see there into the IMS shaft. It's just, no, it's a good 1.5mm, 2mm proud clear of the shoulder. And look, so, oh, sorry, my light ran out, but I've got an inner and an outer pulley now. The outer has the slot drilled completely, the washer does obviously, and now the inner matching where that slot's cut into the shaft stops proud. So yeah, nothing visible on the inside of that one, but also on that one. Nice stuff. By the way, eagle-eyed people might have noticed that I haven't got the reference pins in the camshaft. So the crank is locked up in timing, it's locked up on the flywheel as well, the cams are all locked up. But what I noticed, I wanted to make sure I was drilling for the Scotch key in a position where the two pulleys on the intermediate shaft there are all aligned and the belts will go on nicely. Because obviously we check the tension, but you need to be on the right tooth. And you may have seen you can almost be like half a tooth out, which is very awkward. Now, the engine's been built and the camshafts are all torqued up. Sorry, the pulleys are the timing pulleys are torqued up properly to the camshafts. The procedure that you normally have is to torque them to a low setting. I think it's just 5 foot-pounds or something, or 15. And then rotate the crankshaft leaving the cams in position with these setting pins, and so you're actually just dragging the pulleys around under low torque. So you've got all the belts fitted nicely, and then you just rotate obviously the crankshaft and the IMS pulleys until they're in position. Now I can't do that because everything's built already, but I wanted to make sure everything was okay. My camera's gone even weird now. So I got I rotated the cams very slightly to get the red setting pins in position, because they're a slightly larger diameter and they allow less rotation on the camshafts. And then I made sure that the two pulleys that were drilled on the IMS shafts are in a good position to get the belt. I just put the old belts back on because for one tooth alignment they were fine. I got them into a good position, so I now know that Scotch pin will be in the right position for when I torque up properly, and then set the tension with the new belts.